Today we discuss about the section of solids. So in the section of the solids, so far we have discussed in the previous videos projection of the solids, the continuation of that projection of the solids. We can develop the section of the solids. Section of the solids means, of course, the object may be in the VP or HP, perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP, perpendicular to HP or parallel to VP, and the parallel to perpendicular to VP and inclined to HP, or perpendicular to HP or inclined to VP. These are the cases in different solids. We can develop the shape cut by the plane. That shape in front view and top view we can develop. Of course, the true shape is not there in the front view and top view when the plane is cut that object in a different angle, so that we can develop the true shape of that cut surface. Coming to this problem, a cylinder of base diameter 50 mm and height 60 mm rests on its base on HP. It is cut by a sectional plane perpendicular to VP and inclined at 45 degrees to HP. The cutting plane meets the axis of the cylinder at 15 mm from the top surface. Draw the front view and sectional top view and true shape of the section. Okay, the base of the cylinder in the HP. The height of the cylinder equal to 16 mm, diameter 50 mm. That is okay, and the base in the HP. The plane is cutting plane is 45 degree to HP, and at the same time where it is cutting, that cutting point should be passing the axis from the top 15 mm. That is the position. That position we have to develop the front view, top view and the true shape. Okay, first as usual you have to draw the XY line here. XY line here is the XY. So it is rested in the HP, so that we have to develop we know that this is the vertical plane front view, this is the horizontal plane top view. Okay, top view. So the plane, cylinder with 50 mm base and 60 mm height, it is resting in the HP. So that first you have to draw the top view in the HP. I would like to draw the top view cylinder. You get the circle shape. You get the circular shape here. Circle shape here. Okay. So circle shape. The circle we can draw with 50 mm diameter, which means you draw this line, vertical line to the x-axis perpendicular, and you take it to point somewhere else. Take radius as a 25 mm because diameter is 50. Take a 25 mm radius. O as a center. Take as a 25 mm radius. You draw the circle. This diameter equal to this diameter equal to 50. Okay. This now I would like to make it 8 parts. So that you make it. You take this 45 degrees. And you can make it 2 parts. At the same time here also you make it a midpoint. That means this is 45 degrees. From here to here, so you take it 45 degrees and you draw the points. Now you can name it. You can give the names these points. Let us say that the cylinder, so top A, bottom 1, here B, 2, bottom, this is a B, C, 3, D, 4, this is a D, E, 5, and E, F, this is a F, 6, this is a G, 7, F, G, H, H8, H8. Okay. Now this is not appropriate because of that. Okay. This is okay. 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 Now we can. This is the top view. We can now. You have down. Now we can develop the front view. So you draw the projectors here. You draw the projector here. You draw the projector here. You draw the projector here. Axis. This is the axis, central axis. From here also these two are passing through the same line. So you draw the projector here. These two are also passing through the same line. You draw the projector here. These lines you have to extend it upward direction. This line is also extended upward direction. The axis line, this is also extended upward direction. Okay. They are coming something cross. Okay. Now here also you draw the vertical line. Here also you have to extend this line also. Okay, it's okay. Okay, this is okay. Extended. Okay, the height equal to 60. So that from the x-axis, this is the axis. This is the axis. Of course, this because this is the axis. Is not like this. Not like this. Okay, axis. So therefore, this will be from here to here 60. Here to here 60. 60 as a distance from here to here. You cut it this point and you draw the horizontal line to xy. Horizontal line xy. From here to here 60, you cut it here, this axis, you draw the horizontal line parallel to xy. So this height equal to 60. Okay. Now I want to remove this top. Now we can give the names. This is the A. This is the A dash. This is a B dash. This is a C dash. Sorry. This is a H and 8. H and 8 is there. 8 is there. So here B dash and H dash. Here C dash and G dash. C dash and G dash. Here D dash and F dash. Here E dash. Okay. Now we have to develop the plane is cutting 45 degrees with HP, and at the same time it is that cutting plane passing through the 15 mm from the top of the axis. So therefore first from here to here you measure 15 yes, 15 from here to here you can measure 15 this distance equal to 15 from here to here. You locate the point here 15 this is 15 here 15 mm. So this is with reference to this line this line you set the 45 degrees angle here 45 degrees angle here, and you look at the point here and you draw which is passing to cutting plane edge like this. This is the cutting plane. Let us say that this is a VT because it is a cutting in the vertical. We are showing in vertical plane, so that it is represented by VT. So now you have to give the names. Cutting plane, this is the cutting plane. It is angle is 45 degrees. This angle is 45 degrees. 45 degrees. Okay. This angle is, please try to understand here. Here this angle is 45 degrees. Okay. Now the cutting plane where it is cutting the top view, we have to name it. So this is the cutting here. This is the cutting the front view. So therefore, that is, let us say that that is that name is this name is 9 dash and 10 dash. Here also is the cutting. This point is also cutting. So therefore, this is also called as 11 dash. This point is obviously B and H. I would like to call it as a B. Okay, B2 dash and H2 dash. H1 is enough, not 2. 1 is enough. B1 and H1 dash. Here also CG. So therefore, here also I would call it as a C1 dash and G1 dash. Here also I have to give the names here. 1 dash, 2 and 8 dash. This point 3, 7. This is a 3 dash. Is 3 dash and 7 dash. This is a 4 dash and 6 dash. This is a 5 dash. Okay. We completed the giving the names. Now we have to develop the top view. When this the plane is cut this cylinder. Please you try to understand this part is removed. This part is get away. From this part is get away. You see that in this direction, what is the shape is appearing here? That shape is to be developed in the top view. So that here 9 and 10, I would like to draw a projector. Okay, line. So therefore, already here this is also passing through that. So that this is also cutting plane is also passing through that. Already we have given the names here. So therefore, this is the shape we can that can be appeared in the top view. These names, suppose if you want to give the names, let us say that this is the 9. This is the 9 and 10. Here these points. These 2 points 9 and 10. So therefore, the shape appeared from the top view. Suppose this part is removed, you see in this direction the shape is appeared in the top view. You draw 45 degrees with these lines, shade these lines. Okay, so this is the shape is appeared like this. The shape is appeared if you see in this direction, but this is not the true shape, because if you want to see get the true shape of this cut surface, you see in this direction perpendicular to the cutting plane, so that we can get the true shape. This is not the true shape. If you see in this direction, cutting surface is here inclined, you see that the shape is reduced shape. Now we can develop the true shape to this. I would like to remove this problem, because this space is not enough. Okay, what I want to do here, at this from this cutting plane above this, you draw another xy line parallel to this cutting plane. You draw a xy line here. I would like to draw here. Draw here. Okay. This is parallel to this one. Let us say that this is a x1, y1. This xy line is parallel to this cutting plane. So I would like to draw here. Once you draw this xy line, you draw the projectors. This is the point is cutting here, so that you draw a line perpendicular to this cutting plane. This is the perpendicular to this cutting plane. This is the point. Okay. At the same time, here also the cutting plane is cutting this central axis, so that here also you draw the perpendicular line. Here also, from here also, you point also, you draw the perpendicular line. From here also plane is cutting here, so that here also you draw the perpendicular. Once you draw the perpendicular, the projectors, these lines to be extended upward direction. The lines are extended upward direction. Okay, like this you can extend these lines in the upward direction. Okay, once you extended these lines, you see here carefully, from you see here 3-7 as a center, 10 as a radius of first one. C 3 xy line, on the xy line, 3-1 as a center, 3-1 and 9 as a radius. You draw the arc from here. This is the xy line, this is the corresponding line, this is the perpendicular. From here 3-1 9 as a distance, this point as a center, you draw an arc. Okay, next 3-10 as a radius, 3-1 as a 3-1-10 as a radius. Again, this is as a center, this point as a center, you draw the arc. So let us say that this name is this is the 10 2 dash, and this is a 9-2 dash. Next you see here, this is the C1 dash as a C1 dash. The next the cutting plane is the plane is cutting the axis, so therefore G as a center, G C1 as a radius, radius. This is a center, you cut this line from here to here, you cut this line, okay. Again, G as a center, C, this is the C before 3, this is the 3798. I would explain here. This is the point from XY line. This point as a center. This is the cutting. This is the edge is cutting here. This is a center, and from here to line as a radius. This is the center. I cut it here, and this is a center. This is the 10. This is a radius. This is the center. I cut it here. Okay. Next 3. Sorry. This is the 3 and C. Okay. This is the C2 dash. 3 dash and 3 as a radius. This is a center. You cut it here. Again, 3 dash as a radius. 3G as a 3 dash G as a radius. This is a center. You cut it here. You cut it this line. This is the name is this is the 7-2 dash. This is 3-2 dash. Okay. Next, this is the line cutting. This is the line. So 2 dash as a point, and 2 dash and 2 as a radius. 2 dash and 2 as a radius. This is a center. You cutted this line. In a center, you cutted this line. At the same time, 2 dash as a point, and 8 as a radius. This is a center. you cut it here. You cut it here. So this is a 2 2 dash, and this is a 8 2 dash, 8 2 dash. Next this is the point A, 1 dash and 1 as a radius. This is a center. You cut it here. You cut it here. Cut it here. This is a 1 2 dash. 1 2 dash. Now you simply join these lines shapes. This is the 9 dash 1 dash join, and because this is a curve, you have to join in the curve shape. You have to join in the curve shape. Curve shape. Like this you have to join. Like this you have to join these points. Join these points. These points. Okay. Now this is the 8 2 dash. 8 2 dash. This is a 7 2 dash. This point. 10 2 dash. 1 2 dash. 2 2 dash. This is the hatched. This is the true shape. This is the true shape. This is the true shape. Like this we can develop the top view and front view and true shape.